This is really tough doing it on camera. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to another video of my birthday series. And as you read the title, in this video I will be trimming my hair, and also I will be permanently straightening my hair in this video. If you know, I straighten my hair with the Philips straightener after every hair wash. So my hair is not actually straight, it's kind of wavy and it's kind of in between straight and curly hair. So I thought of let's just try permanently straightening, but I won't do it in the parlor. I will be doing it at home by myself. So if you want to know how, then please keep on watching. And first I will be trimming my hair, so yeah, let's do that. By the way, if you are watching this video as a tutorial, please don't watch it. It's a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I do mistakes, I don't even know the actual techniques like how to trim or how to cut your hair, but I do whatever suits my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. So for this technique, you just have to comb your hair and make sure there is no tangles, no knots. Okay, so first two section are these two section, the lower section, and now I will be cutting this two section first. And this is really tough doing it on camera, I don't know why. Always try to cut less because you always can cut more. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so I'm going to cut. Now don't cut it like this, always cut it like this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done cutting this section. Now I'm gonna shape it a little because it's straight, and as you saw, my hair is kind of little V-shaped. Okay, so now let's move on to this part. I think I need to cut this one a little more. I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'm done with this section. Now I'm gonna secure this section and moving on to the next section. Now I am just doing the same thing, like applying the same technique, just making small section and cutting them in the same way. So I'm done, and this is what my hair looks like right now. Wait, let me show you from the behind. Now I know you can't really see much difference because I have cut very little amount of my hair. So yeah, this is how I cut my hair by myself at home. I think I did a good job. Comment down below if you liked it or not. Also, please don't use this technique because I don't even know this is the right technique or not. And as I said, it works for me, so that I do it. Also, I am doing this from like 5 to 6 years now, so I know what works for me, but it might not be working for you. Now I will be straightening my hair, like permanent straightening. I was looking for some home remedies to like smoothening my hair a little, because in these days, because of the humidity, my hair, you can see, it's just so like frizzy. अभी तो फिर भी ठीक है, but जब भी मैं बाहर निकलती हूँ तो it's just so frizzy, and I hope you're getting my point. So for that I searched on YouTube and I came up with a product. So I saw so many reviews, I saw so many tutorials of the product, and I kind of liked the results. So I thought of buying the product, so I bought it, 2 packets. Wait, let me show you. So this is the product. It's called Streaks Professional Canvo Line Hair Straightening Kit. One box contains this hair straightening cream, one instruction guide, and 2 packets of neutralizing cream. I think there is 2 variants. One is intense and one is, I think, mild or something like that. I bought the intense one because I thought that would be best for my hair, because I have really really frizzy and really thick hair, so I thought of getting the intense one. But I would suggest if your hair is too damaged and colored, then I would suggest go for the mild one. This is for curly hair, like super curly and thick hair. I don't have curly hair, but my hair is super thick, like you can see how many hair. Hi, so it's the next day. I did not do it yesterday because for this entire process I had to wash my hair for 3 times and कल बहुत late हो गई थी मैं, so I thought of doing the whole process this day. So yeah, let's do that. Also I won't be talking too much because this is the first time I'm doing this process. So अगर मैं बात करते करते ये करूँ तो थोड़ी गलती भी हो सकती है. So I will add the voice over the entire process, whatever I am doing, everything I will be doing the voiceover, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So to begin this process, the very first thing you need to do is wash your hair with a very mild shampoo. Then you have to dry your hair nicely. Then comb your hair very nicely so there is no tangles or anything. Now make sections like this. Then take out the hair straightening cream in a plastic bowl, not metallic or anything, just a plastic bowl. And please wear a gloves. I only had one, so I wore it on my right hand. Now take very small sections like this and start applying the cream and massage it very nicely on every section, keeping 1 centimeter distance from the roots. Please keep that in mind कि आपको ये roots पे apply नहीं करनी है ये straightening cream, and make sure you're taking very small section and massaging it nicely like on every section of your hair so that the जो cream है वो हर एक hair पे ठीक से apply हो, नहीं तो आपके हर एक hair straight नहीं होगा. तो जितना हो सके take small sections and apply the cream, spread it and massage the cream, and try to complete the entire applying process in 15 minutes. Don't take too long. And yeah, I am done. It's been 45 minutes since I have completed the whole process. Now in between 10 to 20 minutes after applying it, you need to keep checking the bond. I mean bond break हुआ है या नहीं. For this you need to take one hair, like literally one hair. I know you can't see this because मेरी फ़ोन की कैमरा उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So take the hair and now just do this. ये बिल्कुल कर्ली कर्ली ऐसे हो गए हैं. You can literally stretch this hair strands twice as long as normal. इसका मतलब the bond is broken now, and if you can't then bond break नहीं हुए हैं. As simple as that. Now you need to keep checking it in between 10 to 20 minutes. किसी किसी के 20-30 minutes के अंदर bond break हो जाता है, किसी किसी के 1 घंटे भी लग सकते हैं. मेरे bond break सब हो गए हैं. And you need to keep checking it from all over your hair, like from here, here and here. First start with here, मतलब जिस जगह से आपने पहली बार start की है. Now I am going to wash my hair with lukewarm water. No shampoo, nothing. I'm just gonna wash the cream off, and then I will see you guys. Hi, so I have washed and I have dried my hair. You can see this is how my hair is looking right now. Now the second step is you have to straighten, like flat iron your hair, and you have to do it very prominently. So I will be taking sections like this and I will be flat ironing it. Again, take very small section and prominently straighten every section. So as you can see, I'm done straightening my hair, and now the last and final step, which is applying this neutralizing cream. So yeah, take out the neutralizing cream in a plastic bowl. So I think these 2 packets are enough for my hair. Let's see. So yeah, now again I have to section my hair into small section. Similarly, start applying the cream and massage it. The process is very similar. The only difference is you have to apply this neutralizing cream from the roots, and also you have to comb your hair with a wide tooth comb while applying so that the cream spreads even more and nicely. You have to complete the entire application process in 15 to 20 minutes, and you have to keep the cream for another 20 minutes. Don't bend or tie the hair after applying the cream. Just keep it flat and straight open like this. Okay, so I'm done applying the cream. Now I will wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then I will wash it off with obviously plain water, nothing else. Okay, so as you can see, I took my shower, but you can't really see the results. For that, you have to count with me 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna reveal my final look. So 1, 2, and 3. I wish hair drying was that easy, but anyway, this is what my hair is looking right now. By the way, this is the day 4 after applying shampoo, because 72 hours तक आप shampoo या water कुछ भी नहीं लगा सकते अपने बालों के ऊपर after completing the whole process. So I thought of just doing the video, shoot the clip after my first hair wash. So this is what my hair is looking right now. Let me show you from the back side. And that's exactly why I named this video hair smoothening at home, because ये बिल्कुल smoothing effect ही दे रहा है, not properly straight, as you can see. I am quite happy with the results, though it's not perfectly straight. 3 दिन तक आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते अपने बालों के साथ, like आप इसे tie नहीं कर सकते, आप इसे bend नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But I did bend my hair because इतनी गर्मी थी. I just can't keep my hair like ऐसे ओपन नहीं छोड़ सकती थी. So I had to tie my hair a lot of time, but I did like the results. I did not wanted those straight kind of thing. I really wanted a smoothing effect to my hair, and that's exactly what the cream did to my hair. I mean, what the whole process did to my hair. It's a really nice product if you want this kind of effect, like a smoothing effect. It won't give you a proper straightening look. So if you are looking for a proper hair straightening look, I don't think this thing will work for you. But if you wanted a very like this kind of thing, like very smoothing and very soft and very subtle, like it's perfect. This is what I wanted, and this is what I got. The results are matching with my expectation, so I will give this a thumbs up. And yeah, do let me know if you liked it or not. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.